The Creators Academy. Dreams don't work unless you do. Like and share our video. For more information, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.
Here are some things you didn't know about galaxies. Galaxies are composed of stars, dust and dark matter, all held together by gravity. There are over 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Galaxies can range in size from a dwarf with as few as 10 million stars to massive giant galaxies with 100 trillion stars. Each star orbits its galaxy's own center of mass. Most galaxies have black holes at their center that can produce a tremendous amount of energy, which astronomers can see over great distances. Galaxies slam into one another, merging their stars as dust together. This is an important step in the evolution and growth of many galaxies. Astronomers aren't certain exactly how galaxies are formed. After the Big Bang, space was made up almost entirely of hydrogen and helium.